up, everybody? Oh boy, do I have a good video for you today. Who couldn't use an extra $500 a week? In this video, I'm breaking down the easiest side hustles you can start today, no matter your experience level. We're talking about real opportunities to make some serious side income, from freelancing to selling digital products, taking surveys, and even becoming an affiliate marketer. So if you're ready to level up your bank account and learn the secrets to making money online, buckle up because we're about to dive deep into these awesome side gigs. Alright, first up, we're tackling the world of freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are digital marketplaces where you can sell your skills and services to clients worldwide. Think about it. Are you a writing whiz? Offer your services as a freelance writer or editor. Got an eye for design? Become a graphic designer or logo creator. Tech savvy? Dive into web development or coding gigs. Create a profile on Fiverr or Upwork. Highlight your skills and start browsing through available projects. When you find something you like, send a killer proposal to the client, showing them why you're the best person for the job. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can start charging more. I'm talking $100, $200, even $500 or more per project. Next up, we're diving into the world of digital products, where you can literally make money while you sleep. Think ebooks, online courses, printable templates, stock photos, website themes, anything you can create digitally and deliver online. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad make it incredibly easy to sell your digital creations to a global audience. Simply create your product, list it on your chosen platform, and start promoting it to your target market. Do your research, identify a gap in the market, and then create something amazing that solves a problem or fulfills a desire. You can sell it over and over again, reaching thousands of customers without any extra effort on your part. Chapter 3. Surveys. Get paid for your opinion. We're talking about getting paid to share your thoughts and opinions through online surveys. There are tons of reputable survey sites out there that will actually pay you cash or gift cards for completing their surveys. Some popular options include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars. Just sign up for an account, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys that match your interests. You won't get rich by taking surveys alone, but it's a super easy and flexible way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. Plus, you can do it from anywhere, anytime, while you're watching TV, waiting in line, or even on your lunch break. The key here is to sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize your earning potential. Chapter 4. Affiliate marketing. Earn big by promoting products you love. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale you generate. Sign up for an affiliate program, choose products or services you love, and then promote them to your audience through your website, blog, social media, or email list. Your only job is to drive traffic to the affiliate link. And when someone makes a purchase through your link, boom, you earn a commission. Focus on building trust with your audience by recommending products you truly believe in and watch your earnings soar. Chapter 5. Virtual tutoring. Share your knowledge, make a difference. If you have a knack for teaching and enjoy helping others learn, this side hustle might be the perfect fit for you. Online tutoring platforms like TutorMe, Schooly, and Chegg Tutors connect you with students of all ages who need help with various subjects. Whether you excel in math, science, languages, or music, there's a high demand for qualified tutors in every field. Create a profile on your chosen platform, highlight your expertise, and set your hourly rates. You can set your own hours, work from anywhere with an internet connection, and choose the subjects and age groups you're most comfortable teaching. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of making a real difference in your students' lives by helping them achieve their academic goals. Chapter 6. Start your side hustle journey today. And there you have it, guys. 5 incredible side hustles that can help you earn over $500 a week, all from the comfort of your own home. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment with your honest opinion. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.